Hello, I'm Professor Roseanne Kenny. I'm the Principal Investigator for the Irish Longitudinal Study on Ageing, TILDA, and I'm a physician. Research shows that taking blood samples allows us to investigate a number of chronic illnesses which we know are associated with ageing, and indeed the ageing process itself. Illnesses such as diabetes, stroke disease, dementia, anemia, malnutrition, kidney disease, and eye disease. TILDA takes bloods from its participants in order to understand the prevalence of these illnesses and the ageing process, and genetic markers which might add novel information to why we age and how we age. This video will explain the process behind the collection of those blood samples and the storage of blood samples.
As part of the TILDA health assessment, a qualified research nurse explains the process for collecting blood samples and provides each participant with an information leaflet. Then the participant signs a consent form so that blood can be taken. The nurse takes a 25 ml blood sample at the TILDA Health Centre or in the participant's home. And the blood sample is labelled with a unique TILDA ID and barcode. The electronic record is uploaded to TILDA's server, where it is encrypted for maximum data protection. The blood sample is placed into a special biotherm box, which maintains the temperature between 2 and 8 degrees centigrade for 48 hours. And for blood samples taken in the home, the nurse drops off the biotherm box at the nearest designated collection point. And each evening, a courier collects the biotherm boxes containing the samples from the TILDA Health Centre and from collection points countrywide. The following morning, the blood samples arrive at TILDA Biobank, where technicians process samples and cross-check them against electronic records. Each blood sample is then centrifuged and split into 13 1 ml aliquots, separating blood biomarkers and genetic material. One aliquot is delivered to the Central Pathology Laboratory at St James's Hospital for lipid analysis, and 6 aliquots are transferred to a minus 80 degrees centigrade freezer at TILDA Biobank. A duplicate set, the other 6 aliquots, are stored at a separate location. These blood samples are stored so that biochemical research can be done in the future. It's important to note that participants' details will never be revealed in the presentation of research findings. The donation of blood by TILDA participants offers numerous benefits. First, it informs participants about their own health through a current cholesterol report. Additionally, the blood samples allow researchers to investigate a range of biomarkers for age-related diseases. And because TILDA belongs to a family of longitudinal studies being carried out around the world, researchers can compare Ireland's data with international data. This donation of blood allows researchers to identify and confirm risk factors for age-related diseases, to develop targeted and preventative care, and to raise public awareness in Ireland and abroad. Your support really matters. We thank you.